Did you know that you can animate multiple characters for free using AI? Yes, I know. Jay told me. She taught me how to animate multiple characters, plus lip sync, just like us here.
Yeah, it's very simple, and the sweet part is that you can do this for free. Over to you, Jay.
The entire scene you just saw now was generated 100% with free AI tools. No drawing skills, no animation experience, no paid software. If you can use a phone or a laptop, you can create the exact same thing. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make multiple characters talk, move and gesture in one scene using AI completely for free. You won't pay a single dime to do this. Now, if this is your first time of seeing me, my name is Jen Francis. I create videos on AI and video editing, so if that interests you, then I'll advise you to hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to generate an image. To do that, I'm going to use Whisk AI. So I'll go to my browser now and search for Whisk AI. I use Whisk AI very often, and I've made a couple of videos about Whisk AI. So if you haven't checked them out, I'll advise you to check it out. Now it's going to load up the page for you. Click on Browse Gallery and click on Enter Tool. Now it's going to bring you to this particular interface. This is the interface of Whisk AI. I use it for generating images and it is free and unlimited. Now let's generate an image. I'll say generate a 3D Disney cartoon character of three handsome tall men walking in a park, and then we hit on send. Like I said, I've made a couple of videos about this particular Whisk AI, how to use it to generate consistent characters, how to use it to generate different scenes. If you have been a follower of my channel, I believe you know how to use this particular AI. So now these are the images that we got. These are the images. These two images are what we generated. So I'm just going to download this particular one. I like this first one. Let me show you on a bigger screen this one. So I'll just click here, tap on it and click here to download it, and the image is going to be downloaded straight to my phone. Now let's download this. All right, now we have the image. Next thing is to animate. Now for the animation, we are going to be using Grok AI. This is Grok AI, and you are going to be using Grok AI. Just go to Play Store and search for Grok AI and download it. If you're using a laptop, go to your browser and search for Grok AI. Now, this is the interface of Grok AI, but before we start creating, I want you to do something. Once you download Grok AI, click at this top bar here, click on it, and it's going to pull up this place for you. Click here that says settings. Then once you click on settings, scroll up and you are going to see imagine. Once you see this imagine, you are going to see automatically generate videos from uploaded images. Make sure to turn these buttons off. If you do not turn it off, it means once you upload an image, Grok AI is going to automatically generate a video for you based on the action that is being performed on the image. So, but we don't want that. So turn this off and then let's continue. Now, I'm going to animate this particular image that we generated, and I'm going to make this tutorial very simple and straightforward. Now, click on this place that says create video. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface. Click here to upload an image. So now let me upload an image. Alright, the image has been uploaded. You can see the image here. I've uploaded the image. This is the image. Now click on here that says make video. If you click on it, you're going to see custom. Click on custom. Then once you click on custom, this is where you type in what you want the AI to do for you, to animate for you. Now, I've made a couple of videos explaining how to use this Grok AI plus Whisk AI to create long AI videos with consistent voices and perfect lip sync. If you haven't checked that video out, I'll advise you to go and check that video out, how to create long AI videos using Grok AI. Go and check it out so that you don't get lost. And I dropped a lot of value in that video, so do not miss it out. Now, let me type in what I want them to say in this particular video. Like I said, this video is not going to be lengthy, it's going to be short, simple, and straightforward. So I'll say 3 men walking in a park, and now I'm going to identify each character. I'm going to give these characters a name. Let's say the one on blue, I'm going to call him. The one on green, I'm going to call him Ekene. The one on Sheta, I'm going to call him Steve. Okay. Now I'll say 3 men walking in a park and talking and discussing. Let me put it this way, and discussing. Then below it, I'll say dialogue. Chike says, put this, and then I'll paste what I want Chike to say. Chike is going to say, so you guys know we are not real, right? Now, below it, another important thing for you to do is character identification. Why do you need to do that? You need to tell Grok AI that, okay, this is the particular character that I want to speak in this particular scene. Now, this scene that I'm about to generate, I want only Chike to be the one to talk in this particular scene. That is the man on blue shirt that is standing in the middle. Now, say character identification. Below it, I say Chike is the man on blue shirt. On blue shirt. Walking in the middle. Or should I say standing in the middle? Standing in the middle. What I just did now is character identification. Now we are just going to hit on generate to make this particular video. Like I said, I've done a detailed tutorial about this Grok AI, how to maintain consistent voices and every single thing that you need to know. So click on make video and then we hit on send. Now our video is being generated. Let's wait and see what we have here. Alright, so our video is ready. I had to mute it so that you can be able to hear me. Now I'm going to unmute it and play it, after which I'm going to download it and show it to you guys on a bigger screen before we move to the next generation. So let's unmute this.
So, you guys know we're not real, right?
Alright, so you have seen the video. Now this is where you click to download the video, and the video is going to be downloaded straight to your phone. Alright, here is the video on a bigger screen.
So, you guys know we're not real, right?
Now that you have seen the video on a bigger screen, let's generate the next one. What we are going to be generating here is just 3 scenes and we call it a day. Now for us to generate the next scene, I'm going to play this video, this one that we downloaded on my phone, and take a screenshot of the last frame of the video so that the video is going to be continued. Now let's go to my phone. Alright, so here is the video, the downloaded version on my phone. I'm going to play it now and take a screenshot of the last frame so that we continue the video generation. So let's play this.
So, you guys know we're not real, right?
So this is the last frame and I'm going to take a screenshot. I'm going to crop this out and then we move back to Grok AI. Alright, back to Grok AI. I'm just going to click here to add the screenshot that we took. Now click here to add it. Alright, the screenshot has been uploaded, so I'm just going to click on make a video and click on custom, and then I'm going to type in what I want them to do in this particular scene. So I'll go in again. I'll say 3 young men walking and discussing in a park. In a park. In a park. Then I'll say dialogue. Below it, I'll say Ekene. Remember, we identified this character. The one in blue is Chike, the one in green is Ekene, and the one on sweater is Steve. Now I'm just going to say Ekene says, and then I'll put this. Now I'm going to paste what I want Ekene to say in this particular scene. Remember, Ekene is the guy on green. So I'm just going to paste it. In this scene, Ekene is going to say, "Don't ruin the moment, man. I'm enjoying my AI life." Now below it, I'm going to type in my character identification. Remember to always impute your character identification. This is you telling Grok AI that, okay, I want this particular character to be the one talking in this particular scene. And also, we can easily make these three characters talk at once in a particular scene. But the reason why I don't want to do it like that is that Grok AI only allows you to generate 6 seconds video. Now, if you try to make these three characters talk at once in one generation, they are going to talk like parrots. Like they're going to talk very, very fast. That is why we are doing it bit by bit. After this particular scene, I'm going to generate the dialogue of Steve, that is the one on sweater, responding to it. So I'll say character identification. Ekene is the man on green shirt. Now I'm going to click on make video and hit on send. Now our video is going to be generated. So let's wait and see what we have, and then we move to the last part. You can see how simple and easy this is. And remember, I've made a breakdown of this particular thing. If you want to learn how to make long AI videos, full AI movies, I've done a lot of tutorials on that, so do well to check them out if you want to learn how to make long AI videos. Alright, so the video is ready. Now let me play it and show you guys. This is wonderful. Now let me unmute this. So this is the video.
Don't ruin the moment, man. I'm enjoying my AI life.
Alright, so you can see the video. Just click here to download it. Now let me show you the video on a bigger screen. Now this is the video on a bigger screen.
Don't ruin the moment, man. I'm enjoying my AI life.
You can see it. Now let's move to the next one. Now to generate the next frame, I'm going to open this one that I just downloaded and take a screenshot of the last frame so that the video continues. I hope you're understanding. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section. And let me know your thoughts with this Grok AI. Has it been difficult for you to use? What are the things you have been exploring about this Grok AI? Let me know in the comment section. Now, let me open the downloaded version on my phone and take a screenshot. Alright, so this is the downloaded version on my phone. Let's play it and take a screenshot.
Don't ruin the moment, man. I'm enjoying my AI life.
Alright, so this is the last frame, and I'm going to take a screenshot of this. And then I'll crop it. Let's go back to Grok AI. After this, we head on to CapCut to put this together. Alright, back to Grok AI. Now let's add the screenshot that we took. Click here to add the screenshot. And now it's being uploaded. Let's wait. Alright, so the screenshot has been uploaded. Click here that says make a video and click on it and click on custom, and let's type in what we want. So I'm just going to say 3 men walking and discussing in a park. In a park, then I'll say dialogue. Below it, I'll say Steve says, remember we identified these characters. Steve says, I'll put this and then I'll paste what I want Steve to say. And on this particular scene, Steve is going to say, honestly, if someone made this, I would definitely want to see what else they can create. Now, this is what I want Steve to say in this particular dialogue. Below it, always remember character identification. If you don't do this, it might be a Kene that is going to speak in this particular scene. So always identify your character. So I'll say character identification. Below it, I'll type in Steve is the guy on sweater wearing, let's identify more, wearing a black pants. Now I'm going to click on make video, click on custom, and we hit on send. Alright, so our video is being generated. After this last one, we are going to put this thing together using any video editor that you have, maybe CapCut, InShot, Filmora, VN, anyone that you have available will work. So let's wait. Alright, so our video is ready. I'm going to unmute it and play it, after which I'm going to download it and show you what we generated on a bigger screen. And then we move to the last and the final part. Now let me unmute it.
Honestly, if someone made this, I definitely want to see what else they can create.
Alright, so I've downloaded the video. Now here is the video on a bigger screen.
Honestly, if someone made this, I definitely want to see what else they can create.
Now let's move to the last part, that is putting these things together. And for that, I'm going to be using CapCut. Yes, you can use any video editor of your choice. You can use VN, you can use InShot, you can use Filmora. Any video editor that you have available works. Just follow the steps. Alright, so here we are on CapCut, and I'm just going to select, these are the three scenes that we generated, so I'm just going to select the three of them, and that's it. So I'm going to select them and then we add. Now here are the three videos, and I'm just going to play them so that I'm not cutting anything here. You can see how the videos are going to continue frame by frame. Now let me play the videos for you first.
So, you guys know we're not real, right? Don't ruin the moment, man. I'm enjoying my AI life. Honestly, if someone made this, I definitely want to see what else they can create.
Now this is the video. You see that I did not trim anything. The video just played because we generated this video using frame to frame video generation. And like I said before, if you want to learn how to create long AI videos using these free tools, I made a detailed tutorial on that. That's why I said I'm not sure you want to miss that. Go and check the video I did about how to make long AI videos. I've done a lot of tutorial on this particular topic. Now, what I'm just going to do now is just to spice this video up. I'm going to add a little background music and then some sound effect, and then I'll show you the last shot. So here is the last shot. See what we did together.
So, you guys know we're not real, right? Don't ruin the moment, man. I'm enjoying my AI life. Honestly, if someone made this, I definitely want to see what else they can create.